Hi, everybody. Okay, so this is kind of familiar. We did this the other day, except for one of you. I think this is kind of new. Amelia, I think this is new for you. But we worked on this the other day in writing, where we took the story plot creator, and the plot of a story is the storyline. Okay, it includes the beginning, the middle, and the end. It's called the plot. The plot is what happens in the story. The events in the story are the plot. The characters in the story are part of the plot. So the plot has everything that we need to know in the beginning, the middle, when we reach that moment in the story, and then how everything is resolved in the story. Okay. All right. So we took a look at this the other day, and we are saying that these are what we call the ingredients for a story, right? Just like in a recipe, you would have ingredients that you need to cook. These are, so you might need like butter, a cup of butter, and 2 cups of flour, and a teaspoon of salt. Those are the ingredients you need. These are the ingredients you need for a story. You need characters, you need a place, you need an event. Now you could also add other things, but these are the 4 things we're going to look at today. These don't make a story. So watch this. Ready? Remember, we've done this. We have a caring girl, an unkind girl, at a circus, someone is hurt in an accident. Okay. Can you think of a story that would go with that? An caring girl and an unkind girl at a circus, and someone's hurt. Automatically, who do you think is going to be the one who saves the day? The caring girl. And do you think we could have a story where the unkind girl sees the caring girl do something awesome, and then she has this big change of heart? That would be great, wouldn't it? Okay. All right, let's try another one. Let's have a daring boy with a cheerful boy. Daring, you know what daring means? Like, takes lots of risks. Okay. Cheerful, we know what that means, full of cheer. Let's do in a forest. Sorry, I skipped a choice. Someone is lost. Which one do you think is going to be lost? The daring boy or the cheerful boy? I would guess the daring boy, right? It takes a lot. He would take lots of risks, so he would probably be lost, and the cheerful boy somehow finds him. Maybe the cheerful boy, because he's so cheerful, he might find him because he's laughing or he's doing something fun and cheerful. I don't know. Okay, so my class, we did this before, but 3A haven't. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our journal, and we're going to go back to listing the ingredients for a story. Okay, so you're going to give a character 1, a character 2, setting, an event. And I know we did some the other day, but can you list a character 1, character 2, setting, and event? Or go back to the one you already wrote. Okay, how can you make those 4 things go together? Now, I changed this to, instead of place, because place is just a where, I changed it to setting so that it would be time and place. Okay, so we need to know when and where. Okay, let's look at some that your friends did and some that you might have did. Okay, a girl with a mean boy at school. They have a lost dog. Oh, let's see. A messy boy and a neat boy at a house, but something is mysterious. A squirrel and a barking dog at my house. This sounds realistic. The dog chases the squirrel. Does the dog catch the squirrel? It's your story. Okay, so now what I want you to do is I want you to take your list, and you can either take one that you've done, or you could create a new one once you finish watching the video. Your list of ingredients, your characters, so you have character 1, character 2, your setting and your event, and write a piece in your journal. You're going to write it in your journal. Actually, you know what? I'll put a Google Doc on here too. If you'd rather type it, you could type it, or if you'd like to write it in your journal, you could do either one. But you're going to write a story with those ingredients. So I need a character 1, character 2, setting, event, and then use those ingredients to write a great story. Could it be realistic? Absolutely. Could it be fantasy? Absolutely. Could it have a setting that was historical? Like Mason said, Ice Age. That would be a historical setting. So he could teach us some things about the Ice Age. So it would be a historical fiction, right? Okay, so think about what kind of piece you want to write, and then write a great story. Okay? All right, have fun.